Yo, what's up, headphones troops? Today I'm gonna show you a nifty game called Game Builder Garage. If you ever wanted to code, this is an easy way to do that. Normally you would have to go to interactive lessons and finish up to this checkpoint, or just finish this game. But I already did that stuff, so we can start going into free play. Let's make a new project. So, let's go into this gaming area, or the coding area, sorry about that. And let's add a person. So, as you can see, I am trying to move him and nothing is happening. Not good. So we need to fix that. So we can go into input. By the way, I got the person by going into objects, then characters, and pressing the person. If any of you want to do this yourself. So we can go to input and stick movement, then press, sorry about that, go into stick movement and press the left controller, and we're gonna choose left right. Let me tell you a strict reason why we're doing that. It's because it feels better this way. Like, it feels like normal movement. But as you can see, we definitely have a couple problems. First things first, he can't jump. I'm pressing the B button right now. And second, we can just go off the screen, simple as that. You can't even see me at this point, so we need to fix that. So we can go over to input again. Instead of getting a stick movement, we go to button press and press this with a button. Well, we're not gonna and then we can use this just as we did with this, by the way. If you make a mistake, like doing this, I don't want that. I don't want to do that. And we can do that. By the way, if you're wondering how to do this, you hold A on top of this part, and then stop holding A near one of these parts. So now our character can jump, but you still haven't fixed the fact that he can go off screen. So there are two ways to do that. One, we can go to objects, go to simple objects, and get ourselves a box. And you can resize it with this arrow. And you can use this to duplicate something. And you might be wondering why the walls are yellow. First things first, you can just move them, so they're not very secure. So if you ever press that, you'll see all of this. You can turn things on and off. Let's turn these 3 properties off and these 3 properties off for this one. And as you can see, they're very sturdy now, but we can jump over them. So we need to do something about that. Let's make them a little bit taller. Hang on. And that was an accident. As you can see, our player cannot escape. And now the player cannot go off screen. But the second way to do that, by the way, you can press this button to delete a node on. We can go to objects. Instead of going to simple objects and creating a wall, you can go to this area and get ourselves a game screen. So here's how a game screen works. So a game screen you can put it anywhere. So let's say I'm looking all the way over here. Without the game screen, it would just show what's here, and we don't want that. But if we have the game screen, as you can see now, it always shows that when you're actually playing the game. Let's make it a little lower, because as you can see, that was not a good angle. Yeah, that looks better. So, but you might be saying, well, that doesn't stop the fact that our player can stop getting off the screen. What I was wanting to show you, first things first, I just wanted to say that you could use the first method with this too. But the second method is you can make it so that the game screen follows the player so that the player can never escape the game screen. By the way, you can do that by doing the same thing you did, except with this little thing. So that's pretty much the basics of Game Builder Garage. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye bye.